Nelson Chamisa welcomes Zimbabwe Shanduko following his release from prison. Zarapena mashoko kutoka panguva ino tiona kuti Nelson Chamisa anachitambira Zimbabwe Shanduko. Panguva ino iri kuonekwa kuti Nelson Chamisa akadisappointa aiwa chizvarwa chenyika yeZimbabwe. Panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kuti akangonyarara zvake panhau dzemaconstitutional amendments. Panguva ino anongoposta mamessages, matweets, mabible verses, zviitiko zviri kunyatsonekwa kunzi nyika yese yeZimbabwe. Yes, some other people they are still considering him as the people's president, but vamwe panguva ino vakatoloza trust in him. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Zimbo Live TV inobudanyira chiti political leader Nelson Chamisa recently hosted activist Godfrey Karembera, popularly known as Zimbabwe Shanduko, alongside Karembera's family at his Harare offices. Their appearance follows what Chamisa termed a difficult period of persecution for the activist. In a public statement regarding the visit, Chamisa praised Karembera's continued political commitment, describing him as a citizen's hero and a loyal, committed, and dedicated cadet. He remains steadfast and determined in the pursuit of a new great Zimbabwe within our lifetime, Chamisa's statement read. Chamisa also used the occasion to publicly thank the Citizens Welfare Bureau along with individual citizens for providing welfare support to Karembera's family during his recent difficulties. He characterized the public's solidarity and generosity as truly inspiring. The statement concluded with a declaration that citizens are actively organizing Doma developments and panguva ino tiona Chamisa chohosta aiwa Godfrey Karembera. Mboto dzemafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Aiwa pinda comment section medu mboto dzemafungiro enyu, musaona subscribe or like apa chinoita on the bell icon.